Hello children, today I am going to teach you in English grammar lesson 7 a and the. These are the articles. A and the are the articles. You already know where you have to use a, where you have to use and where you have to use the. You already know, right children? A or an. A is used before a word that begins with a consonant sounds. Yes or no children? Before consonant sound we are going to use A. For example, a cow, a beetle, a pearl, a deer. See, before consonant letters, see, C, B, P, D. These are the consonant sounds, consonant letters, right? So, k, b, p, d. So, before consonant sounds or before consonant letters, we are going to use A. What article we are going to use? A. And is used before a word that begins with an vowel sound, vocal sound. Okay, before vowel sound we are using an. Okay children, an. Okay children, before vowel sounds we are going to use an. Okay, see, U, E. These are the vowel sounds. So we are using an, article an umbrella, an elephant, an owl. Okay children, these are the vowel sounds. See, articles. What are articles? I told you no. A and the are the articles used to introduce a singular noun. Introduce what children? A singular noun. For example, that is a stall. That is a stall. Stall is a noun. Yes or no? Stall is a noun. Singular noun. There is no stalls. Okay, only stall. Singular noun. That is a stall. There is an umbrella. There is no umbrellas. There is an umbrella. Single noun we are using. See, A and the used to introduce a singular noun. Okay. The is used for something particular. Okay. We are talking about something particular. See, that may be singular or plural. We are going to use the. See children, see the moon. These are the particular thing, right? The river, the mountain, the holy book, the Bible. See, the Bible. Okay, these are the particular, maybe singular or plural, particular things we are using the article. The we are using before that particular name. Okay children, see, these are the A and the are the articles. Before consonant sounds we are using A, and before vocal sounds we are using and articles are the is used something for particular thing before maybe singular or plural we are going to use the. Okay, the moon, the river, the mountain, the Bible, the sun, the moon, everything. Okay, see children, see these are the articles. See children, here few examples are there. See, what is this? T is a consonant letter. So we are going to use what before what article will come? A tab. See, E, egg. E is a vowel sound. E. So we are going to use an egg. O also again vowel sound. So an owl. Nose. No, N is a consonant sound, consonant letter. So A before consonant letter you are going to use A. O vowel sound. So you have to use and before this. Okay. See children, here few examples are there. Look at the statements, see and read the statement and use a and other. Okay. See, my father is dash engineer. My father is dash engineer. See children, E. E is an what? Engineer. E is an vowel sound. S-E. So, you have to write here, my father is an engineer. Before vowel sound, we are going to write and before this, right? An engineer. My father is an engineer. I am lighting dash lamp. The particular lamp, we are talking about particular lamp. So, I am lighting dash lamp. I told you earlier, lamp, particular thing, singular or plural, the particular thing we have to use the. I am lighting the lamp. I am lighting the lamp. Prakash. You should not, you don't think children here consonant letter is there. So shall I write here A? No, you should not write because you have to read full sentence. I am lighting dash lamp. I am lighting, I am talking about a particular thing. So you have to write the. Prakash is dash honest man. H is there children. It is consonant letter, consonant sound or. Prakash is dash honest man. Shall I write here A? No, that is wrong. Because honest. That is vocal sound, that is a vowel sound. So you have to write and before this. Prakash is an honest man. Not honest, honest man. Okay. Next, give me dash pen please. Give me a pen please. Give me a pen please. I saw dash ostrich at the zoo. I saw an ostrich. I saw an ostrich at the zoo. Okay children, like this you have to read the sentence and use a use a or an, or the article. You have to use it. You have to read first, understand, then you have to write. Okay. See children, here you have to use a and the or the. Please open dash window. Please open dash window. We are talking about particular window. Please open a window. No. Please open the window. The. When we are talking about particular thing, so you have to use the. Okay. Dash sun is shining bright. I told you sun, moon, mountain, Everest. These are the particular place, particular this one, right? So you have to use the before it. Okay. The before it. The is used with something specific or names of special places. Specific names. Sun is a specific name, so you have to write the before it. Okay. The special places like the Bangalore, the Delhi. Okay. These are the places. The particular names you have to add the. You have to write the. And Bible. Bible is a particular this one, right? That is a special name. So you have to write the before it. Okay. Please open the window. The sun is shining bright. Sun, moon. Okay, the particular. This one you have to write the. The Bible is a holy book. Okay, the Bible is a holy book. Okay, take out your textbook. Page number to a 73 Semman textbook and lesson 7 a, an and the. We use a and an when we talk about one thing, a toy, a kite. We use a before naming words that begin with a consonant sounds, an orange, an umbrella. We are using before vowel sound, and we use an before naming words that begin with a vowel sound. See children, here use a or an before each of these naming words. You have to write tap, tap, a tap, because this is a consonant. E is a vowel, so you have to write an vowel, an owl, o is there. So a nose, an octopus, an eagle, a ball, an elephant. Turn the page. A bus, a tree, an axe, a butterfly, an ice cream, an ink pot, a train, an igloo, because I is an vowel sound. So complete the sentences given below by choosing the correct words given in the brackets. See children, here a or an, you have to write here a or an. Apple a day keeps the doctor away. An apple, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. Okay. My teacher is dash tall man. A tall man and tall man. A tall man. Sapna is holding an umbrella. A umbrella children. An umbrella. Preeti is sitting on a bench and bench. A bench. Because these are the consonant letter. Sachin is or an Indian cricketer. A Indian cricketer, an Indian cricketer, an Indian cricketer, because here vowel sound is there. My grandmother is a old woman or an old woman. An old woman. Okay, the Taj Mahal, the sun, the moon, the Himalaya, these are the special names. You have to write the before it. Okay. Okay, next. Fill in the blanks with a or a, an or the. He is giving me dash of water, a glass of water. Dr. Khanna is a dentist, because the first letter is consonant. Surabhi is flying a kite. Please open dash window, the window, because we are talking about particular window, particular thing. There is dash rainbow in the sky. There is a rainbow in the sky. Rishabh has never seen dash eagle, an eagle, because here what is there? Vowel sound. I went to watch dash movie yesterday. I went to watch a movie yesterday. Tony's mother is working in a hospital, because a, why here? Because here consonant letter is there. The movie was a very boring one. A very boring one. Dash sun is shining bright. Sun, the special name. So you have to write the here. The sun is shining bright. Prakash is honest man. And it is very important children. An honest man. Give me a pen please. Bible is a holy book. Bible is a special name. So you have to write the Bible is a holy book. Karim eats dash orange every day. An orange every day. I saw dash ostrich at the zoo. I saw an ostrich at the zoo. My father is an engineer, because here see children, continuous vowel sounds. Vowels are there. So you have to add an before it. I am lighting dash lamp. The lamp. I am lighting the lamp. There is, what is here? An. What you have to write here? An orange on the table. My mother works in an office. Dash girls are dancing. The girls are dancing. Okay, because we are talking about particular girls, right? So, girls are dancing. Okay, children. A, an, and the articles lesson completed. See children, this is the classwork. Lesson 7, a, an, and the article. We use a and an when we talk about one thing. We use an before vowel sound. Okay, we use an before vowel sound. An apple, an orange, an egg, an elephant. See, we use a for a word beginning with consonants. A car, a bat, a scooter, a pen. Okay, before consonant letters. We use the when it is clear that which person or thing we mean. For example, the sun, the sky, the school, the door. Okay children, refer the textbook for exercises. This is the classwork 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay children, and a, an, and the articles you have to practice. You have to read first, then only you choose and write it. Okay, here also. First practice reading, then you write. Okay, fill in the blanks with a, an, or the. These are the small words only. Try to read children. Very important. You have to read and write. Okay. Thank you children.